Hello everyone. I thought I'd give a quick update of progress on the composite Model 3. You can see here I have most of the frame for the trailer welded up. What I'm missing, and you probably can't see it from there with the sun coming in, and you can just see the slightly wider space here, and that's where the axle's going to go, which is on order. I haven't heard word. I'm supposed to be getting a phone call any time now telling me to come down and get it. These independent suspensions made by Circuit Industries are all made to order. You can see I have a regular 3,500 pound 2-inch ball receiver, or not receiver, hitch. And these frame rails are 1 inch by 2.5 inches this time. There will be some more cross members to support the tongue box and to keep the tongues nice and straight. Anyway, I'll have to open this door. Start with the shakiness. And we'll just walk out to the shed. It's still semi-summer up here. A little cooler. The trees haven't started changing colors yet. And there's the first Ogilite Model 1. That's our big trailer that we do all our long trips in. It's now almost 3 years old, and it works great. Anyway, there's lots of videos about it. We'll go into the shed. Again, apologies for the jigginess. And let's see. Okay. See here, install an exit window on this side. Everything is done in the structure of the box, and the door is done. You can see, I think I showed this before, but we'll just open it up. What it does need is a little bit of assist to get it up to the full height, but it works really well. I realize I'm going to have to put a strap handle probably about here to be able to close it from the inside of the trailer. Let's see, I think this light is plugged in. And you can see I've got the windows so they can be just pulled open. What I'm working on now is the wiring. I'm going to use the fan opening basically as a junction box. See up here, I drilled a hole from there to there, and then a vertical hole to meet it, and now I can pull the wire in. Will be 4 of these LED lights up on the ceiling. This one will be easy to reach when you open the door, and there'll be another one back there, and also two more, one in each, basically one in each corner. Okay, and there's the modified drill bit I used. Just got a 3/8 inch sort of semi-paddle style, I guess. And then I had to grind the end down to get it into this extension. And then I use a 5/8 paddle bit to open up the first part of the hole so that the connector can slide in through there and make the hole as long as possible. Let's see. Yeah, all the caulking's done in here. Basically, it's all ready for interior finishing, which is what I'm working on now while I wait for my suspension pieces. The other thing I have to do, you can see it's supported with 4 axle stands on each side. I'm going to have to screw them together with some sort of a spreader, probably a couple of pieces of 1/8 inch Luan, cut into 8-inch strips, because you can see that the nose of the trailer is not pointing to the garage door. So I'm going to have to figure out a way to spin this around. So I really don't want to have to, well, there is no other way to do it unless I move it all the way back there, all the way back to the other end, bring the trailer in, but it's still got to be spun around. There's no way around it, which isn't that hard. I don't actually know what this box weighs. The Ogilite Model 2, the box weighed less than 200 pounds. So it was quite easy just to have, you know, 2 of us could lift it up and move it around anyway. But I think this one is a foot longer, 6 inches wider. So also I used more glue on this, and the glue isn't light. And the other thing is the phylon on this trailer is thicker by about 20%. So I'm thinking this one is probably approaching 300 pounds, the actual box. All right, I just thought I would update for now. Hopefully next week I'll have a trailer that's sitting on, or a box that's sitting on its trailer frame and on wheels. Anyway, thanks for watching, and thanks to everybody that's subscribed to the channel. Bye now.